All right, this is gonna be an unboxing from STG. I know that's flipped down backwards, sorry. I'm just gonna have to deal with it. The regular, all the try on and stuff like that. I'm fairly new to this, but I wanted to go ahead and throw down, so if anybody wants to, this is just gonna be like an intro video, so that way, if anybody's interested in ordering from STG and what I got, this is a 2-piece race suit and gloves, should be. Anyways, I just got home from work, so I'm still in my work clothes. All right, now I'm not 100% sure on all the names, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out real quick. Okay, so they didn't have the camo ones, but they do have green, which is my favorite color. And these are, I'll name them off here. But like I said, there's gonna be a part 2, part 1, or 2, 3, and 4, because I'm gonna go in depth on all the rest of them. Okay, so these are the Tracktech Evo 4 men's. I guess so. Extra large. So, not to take the tags off until they fit. That's a big thing with STG. Is try everything on in the house. Okay, so I gotta keep all this stuff. Let's do some surgery, shall we? With the tape. In case you're wondering, I do sharpen my own knives. This is a ZT-0909, I think, if I remember right. Probably leave that out because I'll need it again. Okay, so I was pretty sure on what jacket size, because I wear extra large in almost all my jackets, except for Alpine Star. I wear double XL. So, shit. So, not 100% sure on how that went, but leave all the stickers and tags on it. So, here's the jacket. This is a Sabre, RST Sabre men's leather jacket. PCS, no race hump, which I didn't want because I casually ride also and drag race sometimes. I'm getting into it, so there's that. And try not to get that dirty. This is my garage, sorry. Down for a minute. And then the pants come with a hanger. Give me a minute. Trying to be real gentle because I don't want none of this stuff. If it don't fit, I want to be able to return. I talked to customer service rep with STG on the size of the pants, so hopefully they're spot on. So they didn't have the, I think these come in white and black also, but these are the Tracktech Evo 4 pants. I was gonna get the Tracktech Evo jacket to go with the pants, but I didn't want the race hump. Basically, it's similar. It'll match with these. It'll zip right into these. So, come with the RST knee pucks. Race, RST race. Oh, it's upside down. I know. Sorry, guys. Doing this myself. Like I said, I'll go into depth, but here they are. Next couple videos will be trying on, sorry, yeah, see, look, I'm all dirty. We'll be trying on, sizing, all that fun stuff. So, until next time, later.